Hello dear. Welcome to the ustravelguide.com. We will discuss when the US consulates and embassies will reopen in India. Please watch the video till the end to know the latest development. US embassies and consulates are temporarily closed not only in India but around the world. At the time of closing, they mentioned that it was a precautionary measure due to the coronavirus pandemic and embassies and consulates will reopen as soon as possible. This statement was given in March. Now we are in July and consulates are still closed because of COVID-19. On June 22, 2020, the Trump administration has passed an executive order to ban certain visas including H-1B, H-4, L-1, F-1 and J-1. The ban says that no new visas will be issued to said categories, but those having visas are free to travel. So whether consulates will open or not, basically US consulates and embassies will be closed till December 31, 2020 for these visa categories. Will they really reopen consulates and embassies for all visas? Most probably the US consulates and embassies will reopen for normal business from January 1, 2021. As of now, we can only hope that things will get better and everything will be normal. There are two reasons that can change the situation. The first one is obviously COVID-19 and the other one is the USA general election. We all know how politics can impact immigration decisions. Let's talk about when the US consulates will reopen for other visa categories. State Department has tweeted that in some of the countries, US embassies will be opening from 15th of July. The reopening will be in phases like Phase 1, Phase 2, something like that. US embassies and consulates will reopen for married and fiancé-based visa like CR1, IR1, K1 visa applicants. Those who already had appointments in March and April will be given preference. But if we talk about India, then it is really hard to tell when they are going to open. India is a big country with a large population. So consulates and embassies will not open until COVID-19 situation is controlled. But if you want to know when the US consulates and embassies will reopen in India, you can directly email to the particular consulate or embassy. You can even call them and ask about the updates. As of now, US consulates and embassies are closed in India for all kinds of visas except emergency services. According to our sources, they may open consulates and embassies by September for some visas like CR1, IR1, etc. Let's talk about latest development. Since so many companies are not happy with the current ban on certain visas, they are asking the Trump administration to reconsider this decision. In the latest development, we have some positive news. They might reopen US consulates and embassies as soon as possible in India for H-1B, F-1, and other visa stamping. This is still in progress. We are following regularly. Please like and subscribe to our channel to keep yourself updated. Thanks for watching.